how to promote Amazon affiliate links on Facebook. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how it's done. So the first step would be to actually sign up with Amazon Associates and in order to actually get your affiliate links on products on Amazon. So if you did not already create an Amazon Associates account, you can just go and look it up on any browser, and you just go to Google Amazon Associates and you should be able to find this website here. You can just go and click on it, and then from there you can just go in and sign up using it. Now, after you actually finish up the signing up process of Amazon Associates, and if you just go to Amazon.com, you should be able to find this site stripe here on the top. This is just going to let you know that now you can actually go ahead and get affiliate links off of Amazon and use them on any platform, including Facebook. Now, what do you do next is actually pick the products that you want to have or promote with your affiliate links. For example, let's just go ahead and say this one. So just go ahead and open up any product that you want to promote, and then from the top, you should be able to find the category of it. You can also see the commission rate of this item. And then lastly, here on the right side of things, you can just go in and find this get link option. You simply just want to click on that, and you're just going to be given this link right over here. You simply just want to copy this link, and now we are good to go from Amazon's side of things. Now from Facebook, you can just go in and create a page, and from here you can start adding posts on Facebook and promote these links. You can do it individually for each product, and you can also do it as a group. So you can just go in and add a website or a link in bio landing page, you could say, which is going to include multiple links of different products. So I'm going to show you both steps or both methods. So first, we're just going to start with the individual product one, and you simply just want to create posts for that. So you can just go to any page and you just want to start writing your own post. First, you can just go in and upload an image. You can upload an image, or you can upload a video about the actual product, and then you can just go in and type things out like some sort of context. Then you can just simply paste in the link, and you just want to upload this post and you should be good to go. Now, whenever someone actually clicks on your link and purchases the item, you're going to get a cut out of that. So you can just go in and keep doing this method for individual products, and you should be good to go. But if you want to have a landing page which is going to include multiple different links to different products and just link that to your Facebook, that's also a great way of doing so. For that, you can use websites like beacons.ai or even Linktree. But in my case, I'm just going to be using beacons.ai, and you simply just want to create your link in bio page and add as many links as you like. You can just click on add block. In order to do so, select links and then just click on add link. You paste that in here and click on add. Then you can just go in and give it a proper title, maybe the actual name of the product. And also you can just finalize it by adding an image to it. Anyways, once you are fully done with your link in bio page, all you need to do is just copy the link of the entire thing and just go back to Facebook. From Facebook, if you just open up your page, click on about, click on links, and add your website link in here. Just go ahead and give it a name and insert the link of the link in bio website and click on save. So this is pretty much two different ways you can promote affiliate links from Amazon on your Facebook. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.